What's up, bitches?
Random opening, yeah! Oh, a new school. Why is it paper? Period.
Got that girl.
Toilet!
Hey, Bubbles.
Oreos, 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 Oreos! Hey, class, today we're gonna learn about shoving a chair up someone's ass. What is... This is so... Oh my god, who's fucking throwing that? Abby failed my class. All because you thought that A plus B equals 2? Abby? See this paper? Bunked my class. See this? You forgot to do it. Abby is a stupid apple. Yeah. I throw a chair up someone's ass. Oh, cool. We're gonna get you. Did you know that little apple failed his test? Hello. One Piece. Oh my god, a library. Aww. So yeah, I like you. Go bitches. Hello. We think Claire's Abby because, yeah. I don't have enough screen time in my life. Yeah, Oliver, I know that. I love Alice. She's just my pooey wee. Oh my god, those stupid bitches. They threw me down the stairs. Funked my class. Where did that bitch go? I'm sorry. The English test was so anxious. You. No! Oh, shit! Please, that's corny. Stay away from me. How did he beat me? Go, Pookie Wookie. What the fuck? What the f... Oh, shit. Exit. Nope. Exit! Yeah! Exit, Ellie. Shit. You want to join my tea party? Oh, come here. You're gonna be my meat, my food. Get over here. Oliver finally gave me food after 20 years. Come over here. Don't be shy. Come over here.
Why is it?
Bye-bye. What happened? Over and sip. Suck it up. Zeep, Oliver, what are you? A chair's gonna go up your ass now.